Hey there, I have a really simple, easy tip for you around meal prep and menu planning. And it's almost doesn't even feel like a tip because it's so easy. But before I get there, let me give you a quick introduction. I'm Kim Barnes-Jefferson, and I help women over 40 to create simple, sustainable solutions to live a healthy life without deprivation or rules. All right, so you ready for the tip? Okay, I call it double cooking. All right, so before I get there, how many of you are spending multiple hours in the kitchen putting together a vat of chicken, broccoli, and brown rice, right? Only to be sick of it by like Wednesday. Okay, so I was sick of it too. So if that works for you, great, keep doing it. If it doesn't work for you, enter double cooking. With double cooking, I cook, if I'm cooking turkey burgers and I only need 2 for my husband and I'll make 6. And out of the other 4 that I have, I will either put them in the refrigerator and use them for lunch the next day, or use them for dinner, or throw them in the freezer so that at a later time when I need another meal and I'm not around, I can easily pull it out of the freezer, let it defrost, and it's ready to go. Just throw it in the microwave for a couple of minutes. That's double cooking. And the thing about double cooking, I can also save money. How many of you are heading to the warehouse stores, the Costco's, the BJ's, right? So when I buy those big vats of meat, I can start to do more double cooking. So I can create, these big meals, double and tripling their recipe. And that way I can save a little bit of money, but also have food ready to go for when, at some point we're gonna get out of our houses. And we wanna be able to just quickly and easily have healthy food at our fingertips. And this is the simplest and easiest way to have food at our fingertips. And also, we save a little money. And right now, who doesn't want to save a little money? So let me know in the comments below, what is the next recipe you are gonna double? And I would love to hear it because I'm always looking for recipes. All right, I'm glad I can make a difference. Have an awesome day.